Aha, you can look at this one, guys. So Iridium UDP. So it's already created. So guys, oh here, this is guys, the one that we just captured. Hey, welcome to Review the Cyber. Okay, now I promise it to you for the part 2. The part 2 we will install one thing. Actually not install, just download something and we just straightforward to use it. In order for you to watch this, you need to watch my part 1 video, how to prepare all of this. The Conda activations, Conda installations, no radio, install HackRF, etc. You need to follow this video, guys, okay? Now, without any further ado, and without any more chatty, then let's continue, guys. Okay, now I'm going to using the third tool in this case. The name is Iridium Live. What we're gonna do, we just need to go to this directory and we just need to git clone this one, git clone this Iridium Live. Okay, guys. Okay, great. So we just go to this Iridium Live. Okay, great. So we just need to use this UDP cat IL in this case. Let's check what is inside of this one. Okay, what we need to do is we just need to changing this to our local. Okay, guys, we need just to change this to our local. I'm just going to use my own. Go to this one, so it's more easy for me, and then go to the home, and then go to the build, because I put it here. Just change it from here directly. I think in this case, okay, wait. 127.0.0.1. We just select the port because we're gonna need that one. Okay, guys? Just put it like this. And the last thing is what I'm gonna do. I'm going also to export path. Boom, just like that. Okay, so let's see if we go back again to this one and we will run it again like this. Guys, sometimes I'm using this, sometimes I'm always using this. You can read why in the help itself. And then after that, I'm going to use UDP for IL. Let's using this if there is no error. Oh, okay, what happened? Of course, I need to go to this where I was running this before, or I'm using the Iridium parser in this case. Okay, so how to troubleshoot that one? So, you know, when I'm experiencing like this, right? Although I already running several paths, Python, UDP, ILC, I got this error. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to copy this, although I'm already export path, and then put it in the Iridium toolkit. It's actually the folder where I run it, and I already export path too. Okay, so let's try. I copy this, and then I put it here, and then we will try one more. Okay, great, excellent. So there is no error like this. Okay, guys, so this is how we troubleshoot this one. Okay, now I think we are good to go to running this. I think it's using this command, and this is supposedly the loopback. There is a traffic here in the loopback. Let's just open this. Sometimes it takes times to running this. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to, for example, okay, I don't want to do anything changing, something like that, you just need to download from this one and then put it in the directory as well if you want. Let me check. Do we have something here? Okay, we not yet get something. Sometimes it takes times to get this one, guys. Okay. Okay guys, we got something here, right guys? But we still cannot decode this one. You look at this is still in the data. So what we're gonna do, we are going to go to this one. Let me okay, we are going to this one. You can also using this script if you want, instead of do some VI. Now we are using this Lua script. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put this script here, desktop. I prefer to use the desktop before. And then after that, I'm just going to running this. Before that, I'm going to changing sudo change mode 644 Iridium Lua in this case, guys. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is 644. 644. Okay, Iridium Lua. And then after that, I'm going to running this. Basically, we just copy this to the Wireshark. Oh, okay, let me check. Sudo cp -p Iridium. Let me check. Where is the... Okay, where is the... Let me check the place of this one. Oh, wait. Personal plugin here, man. Wireshark plugins. Okay, it seems this is not created. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just do this local lib Wireshark plugins here. Okay, so I'm just going to shutting down this. Is this still running? Let me check. Okay. You can look at this one, guys. So Iridium UDP. So it's already created. So guys, you can already see the decoding of the satellite itself using the Wireshark. Okay. So this is the our road to come here is a bit bumpy, right guys? But at least you're experiencing all the error that I've experienced here, which is great. Okay, so this is happen real time. Okay, so feel free to. You can see also, for example, the type is raw. We can put it as a column, so you can see this is IRI. And I think there's some also IRA, for example, the ringing alert, etc. You can see from this one, guys. Okay, great. Okay, guys, congratulations. Right now, you can sniffing the satellite of the Iridium using the Wireshark in this case, guys. Okay, excellent, guys. So okay, there's some position also here. Copy the whole descriptions. Okay. So we can check from this one the position of the satellite, the one that captured here. Oh, here, this is, guys, the one that we just captured. Guys, we can find also the team C of these guys. For example, which one? Okay, this is the team C is empty. This is the beam XYZ coordinate, latitude, longitude, etc. Position, latitude, longitude is here. Okay, guys. So, congratulations. Now you already able to sniffing real time the satellite itself. Okay, guys. As I always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay humble.